The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle has been around for 40 years and enjoyed by students around the world. The book takes students on a 7-day escapade with a hungry caterpillar that eats more and more food each day. He starts off eating fruit and works his way up to eating ice cream, salami, lollipops, and other not-so-healthy foods that make him sick. He becomes fat and builds a cocoon around himself. He stays in there for over 2 weeks and then comes out as a beautiful butterfly. This thematic unit is based on the book The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Throughout this unit, students will learn about the life cycle of the butterfly, become familiar with long vowel sounds, and differentiate healthy and unhealthy foods. This unit includes California content standards for kindergarten, ISTE technology standards, and cognition. Standards to be addressed are reading comprehension, literary response and analysis, relationship between numbers and quantities, and measurement. Technology standards will also be incorporated as students explore the iPad, word processing programs such as Word, voice recorders, and interactive internet site. This unit also addresses all 8 of Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences, along with all stages of Bloom's taxonomy. By incorporating Gardner and Bloom in the unit, it will maximize learning and help each student be successful through their individual learning styles. Verbal linguistic. Students will list the food eaten by the caterpillar and share them orally with the class using a voice recorder. Type the list using Microsoft Word and search the internet for images of healthy and unhealthy foods. These images will be used to develop a poster to display their list of healthy and unhealthy foods. Interpersonal. Students will evaluate what they ate for dinner over a 1-week time period by telling what they ate via a journal typed with Microsoft Word. Students will report if the food was something the hungry caterpillar ate. They will take pictures of their food with a camera, then interview classmates on their favorite foods, and gather the results using a voice recorder. Their findings will be shared with the class using a microphone to make the announcement. Bodily kinesthetic. Students will listen to Greg and Steve's animal action song, identify the animal, and move the way that animal moves. They will then use scarves and float around the classroom as if they were a butterfly, demonstrating a butterfly flapping its wings. Intrapersonal. Students will create a journal over a 1-week time period of the food they ate for dinner. The long vowel sound for the letter A and the short vowel sound for the letter O will be mastered as students will use this example sentence. On Monday, I ate spaghetti. The word on and ate will be repeated 5 times throughout their journal. Naturalist and visual spatial. Students will learn the life cycle of a butterfly. They will watch YouTube videos of the process and discuss the sequence. Students will work in groups to explain the process, then draw a caterpillar and a butterfly using Doodle Buddy on an iPad. Musical. Students will listen to Greg and Steve's Days of the Week song. They will compare and contrast the tempo of the song, ranging from fast to slow, as each day of the week is sung. Then, they will learn hand movements to compose a rhythm and orchestrate a performance for the song. Mathematical. After listening to Greg and Steve's Days of the Week song, students will use a calendar to count the days of the week in order. Students will then count how many items the caterpillar ate on each day of the week, then discuss which day he ate more food and which day he ate less food. What I learned when creating this unit is learning can take place in a wide variety of settings. When technology is incorporated, students are more engaged and learning is more effective. I now have a deeper understanding of Bloom's taxonomy terms and Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences. Every student that I have an opportunity to teach will have a unique learning style. Having knowledge of each multiple intelligence, I now feel I am equipped to effectively teach every style of learner that walks into my classroom.